AumSum was walking through a park when something strange suddenly happened. A soft humming filled the air, and dozens of delivery drones hovering above him began slowing down at the same time. As AumSum lifted his hands in surprise, the drones gently shifted direction, following the movement of his hands. Miraculously, AumSum could now control drones. AumSum watched with excitement as hundreds of delivery drones were scheduled to drop supplies, decorations, and equipment for a large evening festival. Suddenly, something went wrong. The navigation systems of the drones went haywire. One by one, they began losing control. Boxes slipped loose and began falling. Several machines headed straight toward crowded streets. Drones collided mid-air, sending broken parts spinning downward. People below ran in confusion as objects crashed near them. AumSum sensed the danger immediately. Without hesitation, he focused deeply, stretching his power farther than before. AumSum first froze the most unstable drones in mid-air. Then, with careful movements, he redirected broken drones away from people, guiding them toward empty rooftops and open fields. He instructed working drones to catch falling packages just before they hit the ground. Slowly, order began to return to the sky. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. AumSum was walking along a quiet road one cloudy afternoon when the sky suddenly darkened. A flash of lightning struck nearby. Then, something strange happened. A tiny spark jumped from the glowing air and landed on AumSum's hand. It danced gently across his palm. AumSum lifted his hand slightly, and the spark lifted too. He moved his fingers, and the lightning followed his movement. Miraculously, AumSum could now control lightning. Suddenly, the clouds above began swirling violently. Nearby, lightning struck a tall metal statue. The statue began glowing intensely, crackling with bright electric lines. Sparks jumped from its arms and base, flashing dangerously across the ground. People standing around the square stepped back in fear. AumSum noticed the danger immediately and ran toward the statue without hesitation. He planted his feet firmly on the ground and raised both hands. As he reached toward the glowing metal, long strands of lightning stretched out from the statue like glowing ropes. AumSum tightened his grip and pulled harder. The lightning slowly began sliding out of the statue, stretching and bending as it followed his hands. With strong, controlled movements, AumSum pulled the lightning completely free. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum.